Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with our latest arrival, this beautiful Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale. The 360 Challenge Stradale is a really hardcore homologation special from Ferrari that shares a lot of its componentry with the Ferrari Challenge race car. These cars are now 20 plus years old and are starting to show their age. The owner of this car has bought this car ready to enjoy and would like a fresh new interior so that all of his journeys are with a nice new interior. And if I jump inside and show you the state of affairs now, you'll see why he would like to refresh everything. So now we're inside the cabin. You can see that although this car is in remarkable condition considering its age, the interior fabrics are just starting to show a bit of wear and tear through age. It's been very well cared for, but the nature of the materials has just led them to degrade over time. If you look up at the dashboard here, it's been damaged by the sun, and then through constant cleaning has just started to sort of ball up and the material is starting to disintegrate. The seats, again, they are in great shape, but the surface of the material just isn't what it was, and the red Alcantara has lost its vibrancy. So the owner has just decided, new car to him, start with a fresh new interior. Throughout the car, we're also going to look at things like the sticky buttons. We're going to get those sent away and have those refurbished, so that when this car is delivered back to the owner, he has got an as new interior, which was his sort of specification to us for the project. You're now going to see the team starting to work through the interior, and we'll jump in at a couple of points, just see what the team are up to and talk about some of the project in further detail. So a quick update on where we've got to on the 360 Challenge Stradale project. The team have carefully removed all of the old interior, stripped and prepared all of the interior panels. They've started to trim various panels, and we've also got all of the sticky switch gear from throughout the cabin and boxed that up and sent that away to be restored, so that when this car goes back together, all of the switch gear will be as new as well as the trim. So in the cabin, the team have retrimmed and started to fit the new rear bulkhead, and then we've carefully sort of restored and been able to reuse the original headlining material, because at the moment that material is currently unavailable. That's something we're looking into remanufacturing for the future, because it's becoming more and more requested for people that have got issues with their headliner. And then we've also carefully prepared and repainted the floor pans and the sills in this car. Originally, they're just satin black finish paint. You know, this is a lightweight car, so there was no trim on those. And just from people getting in and out of the car over the years, there was a few marks and scratches and chips out of the paint. So we've just refinished that, ready for when it all goes back together. And then if we go upstairs, I can show you some of the trim that's already been done, sitting, ready to be refitted. So up here, we've got a number of pieces of the interior trim that have been retrimmed and are sat here, ready to be refitted once we receive all of the switch gear back from that being restored. Until then, it will sit safely up here, out of the way. And in the meantime, we're going to get on with the seats and start refitting some of the upper environment panels that don't have any switch gear involved in them. So you join me downstairs with the completed Ferrari 360 Challenge Stradale interior project. The team have been working really hard on this, and although there isn't a huge amount of interior in one of these cars, there's a lot of intricate details that took time and precision to get absolutely right. So as we've discussed, the interior specification on this is not how the car arrived with us. However, it is an original specification. So we've got the grey Alcantara throughout the interior with the red twin stitching. And then the seats, we've gone for the full red with the embroidered horse to match. The steering wheel has also been redone in the grey Alcantara to tie everything in. Other little details we've added in this, we've made a set of custom carpet overmats to help protect the original rubber mats underneath and just give an option there whether you want the rubber or the carpet. And on that, it is as it should be. No other changes have been made. The car is now ready to depart us, on its way back to the owner for him to start driving and enjoying his new interior in his Ferrari 360 CS. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've got any comments or questions, please drop them below. Or if you'd like to get in touch about trimming on a 360 CS or any other car, please contact us on the details below, and I look forward to bringing you another video soon.